Hi everyone, today we're looking at a closed traverse using the rise and fall method of recording the heights. A successful closed traverse is when you start at a benchmark and finish at the same benchmark and your three checks are the same figure, 0. There are a number of heights that need to be taken at this site. This could be required for drainage, for landscaping, or for something similar. We take our first reading from station 1 to our benchmark, which is our back site. Then our last reading B, our foresight, will be the first reading C from station 2. This provides the link from station to station, and the same method applies to the next stations, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, with our last reading being back to the benchmark. Okay, so we do the complete cycle. Now we just enter the readings. Vertical lines here show we're reading to the line of collimation. A longer line means a fall, a shorter line means it's a rise in this instance. So let's just enter our stations. We've got our benchmark station 1, then we've got station A, and then we'll just complete that column. Then we start to put in our readings. We've got 1476 at our benchmark. We've got 1496 at station A, and we have 1582 at B. Then what we have from station 2, our first reading, which is our back site, which is C, is 1748. We then have our intermediate sites, and our last reading, which is F, is 1680. Then G from station 3 is our first reading, and it's our back site, and then we have our intermediate and foresight. Okay, then we have our back site from station 4, which goes to K, and then we will complete the readings there with 2 intermediate readings and a foresight back to our benchmark to complete our traverse. And what we do here from 1476 to 1496, there's a difference of 20 mil. It's a fall. The numbers go up, so it's a fall. The numbers go up from 1496 to 1582. We've got another fall of 86 mil. We then have a rise because we have a from 1748 to 1640. It's a rise of 108. From 1640 to 1720, it's a rise of 80. And then we've got from 1720 to 1680, it's a rise of 40. So we just complete our rise and fall, our booking sheet, like so. Then what we do, we total up our back sites, the 4 figures there. Then we total our foresights, which we have 4 figures there. This is off to a good start. They're both the same, and that's what should be happening. We then total our rise column, gives us 0.346. Then we total our fall column, which gives us 0.346 as well. So we're on track so far. Then we've got to enter our reduced level. So from our benchmark, we've got 139.5. We take away 1.476, and that gives us 138.024. And that's our first RL. Then we have a fall of 20, which we add on, which we take away, we take away because it's getting closer to water level, sea level. Then we have another fall, so we're going to take that away as well, which will give us 137.918. Then we have a rise, so that gets added on. It's like climbing up the mountain. As we go up the mountain, the numbers increase. Then we have a fall, the number decreases. Then we have a rise, a fall, and a rise. And then we have a rise, a fall, a rise, and a rise as well. So when we get to this point here, we then do our 3 checks. Check 1 is total back sites minus total foresights. Check 2 is total rises minus total falls, which is good. And our third one is our first RL minus our last RL. They're both the same, so that's good. This is very easy to make, to put a figure in the wrong column, whether it be a rise or a fall, and it affects your reduced levels. So if your 3 checks don't match at the bottom here, and it's really important to do these 3 checks, if they don't match, you've made a mistake up here somewhere. So good luck.